I find it very easy to use. It's set up easily within our system. The learning curve was not very steep at all.
It's helpful to explain to a patient who's totally asymptomatic. They're coming in, but they have definite disease, a definite abnormality in their visual field, and I put it up for them and I show them on the screen right there in the room. I show them the other eye, which may be normal, and say, that one looks great, this one over here looks abnormal, there's the defect, we don't want that to get bigger. It's really wonderful to have that ability to show them that they have disease.
We've had good success with the technicians picking up and getting used to using the EyeSuite in a way that I haven't ever seen before with other perimetry, where now they're actually excited to kind of use that perimeter.
The technicians accept it readily, and with just a little bit of training, on one day in fact, they were off and running, and they very quickly embraced the new technology and prefer the Octopus environment. From my own standpoint as a practitioner, it's been easy to learn to use the EyeSuite interface, and within the first, I'd say, couple dozen patients, I was actually more comfortable on the new system than I had been shuffling papers with the old system. So that's been a very easy transition, surprisingly so.
It's helpful. I mean, the whole relationship changes when you have an opportunity to dialogue with the patient, and the patient can kind of actually see how you're interpreting it and what it means to them.